Hello dear learners. Welcome back to Saleem Linguist. Today's story is about planning a small family visit. Let's start. It is a quiet evening. Ali is sitting in his room. He is using his phone. His mother is in the kitchen. His father is resting. There is a plan in the house. They want to visit Ali's aunt. She lives in another area. She invited them last week. They said they will come soon. Days have passed now. They did not visit her. Everyone is busy at home. Ali's mother comes to him. She asks about the plan. She says we should visit her. She says she is waiting for us. Ali nods slowly. He understands the situation. He decides to call his aunt. He wants to speak in English. Ali takes his phone. He feels a little unsure. He thinks about his words. He wants to speak clearly. He makes the call. His aunt answers quickly. She sounds happy. Ali greets her politely. Ali says, "Hello, aunt." Ali says, "How are you?" Ali says, "We are fine here." His aunt asks about the visit. She asks when they will come. Ali pauses for a moment. He looks around the room. He sees his busy home. Ali says, "We are planning to come." Ali says, "We will visit soon." Ali says, "We are a little busy now." His aunt stays quiet for a second. Then she speaks softly. She says, "I understand." She says, "Take your time." Ali feels something inside. He cannot explain it. He ends the call politely. Ali sits silently. He thinks about her voice. It was soft but different. He goes to his mother. He tells her everything. He repeats the words slowly. His mother listens carefully. She does not speak at first. Then she looks at Ali. She says we should go tomorrow. She says do not delay again. Ali agrees quickly. He feels it is important now. Next morning comes early. The family gets ready. They prepare simple gifts. They leave the house together. The road is not very long. They reach in some time. Ali knocks on the door. His aunt opens the door. She looks surprised. Then she smiles warmly. She welcomes them inside. She looks very happy now. Her eyes show real joy. They sit together in the room. They talk about many things. They share stories and laughter. Ali watches everything quietly. He notices small details. He sees the happiness around him. His aunt brings tea. She serves it with care. She asks about everyone. Ali answers in simple English. He speaks slowly and clearly. He feels more confident today. Time passes quickly. The visit feels special. Before leaving, Ali stands near his aunt. He thanks her for the invitation. He smiles with respect. His aunt holds his hand gently. She says, "Come again soon." Ali nods with a smile. He understands something deep. They leave the house quietly. They walk back together. Ali looks at his mother. He feels calm and thoughtful. He does not say much, but his mind is clear now. The day ends simply, but something has changed inside him.